In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete text in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This quick walkthrough is perfect when you need to clean up a PDF without recreating the entire document. We'll keep it simple and precise so you know exactly what to do and what to expect. First, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you're using the Pro version, since the standard reader doesn't include full editing features. Once your file is open, give yourself the best view by adjusting the zoom so the text you want to remove is easy to see and click. Next, enter Edit Mode. Look for the Edit or Edit PDF option, usually in the right-hand panel or under the Tools tab. Clicking this switches Acrobat into editing mode, and you'll notice that text areas become selectable. You might see blue outlines or bounding boxes around text blocks. That's your cue that you can interact with the content. Now, click directly on the text you want to delete. You can place your cursor within a word, drag to highlight a portion, or click once to select a whole text block depending on how the PDF was created. If the text isn't selectable at all, it may be part of an image rather than actual text. In that case, this method won't remove it because Acrobat treats it like a picture. With the text selected, press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. Acrobat will remove the highlighted characters or the selected block. If you remove more than intended, use Undo to step back. You may notice the surrounding text reflow slightly to fill the space. That's normal behavior as Acrobat maintains the layout as best as possible. Click outside the text box to confirm the changes. This tells Acrobat you're done editing that section and helps you see the page the way it will appear when you're finished. Take a moment to review the area for spacing or punctuation that may need a quick touch-up. If something looks off, click back into the text and make any small adjustments, then click outside again to finalize. Finally, save your PDF. Go to File and choose Save, or use the keyboard shortcut to quickly write the changes to the file. Saving ensures your edits are preserved the next time you or someone else opens the document. And that's it. You've opened your file, entered edit mode, selected the text you wanted gone, deleted it, confirmed the change, and saved your updated PDF. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.